Hi everybody and welcome. This is just the quickest of quick kind of flip through things really. This is a listing on Etsy and I thought it would be just easier to show you them like this and then you know what they're about. It's 5 little pen and ink drawings, well pen drawings that I've done actually. The botanical, you know, they have that botanical flavour and I think they'd fit into a botanical journal really nicely. Let me give you some measurements. That's probably an idea, isn't it? Then you'll know if they fit in your journal. Like this one, the foxglove's 4 1/4 by 6.5 almost. And what I've done is I've drawn them, then I have inked them, then I have sewn around them. Oh guys, let me tell you, sewing wonky, it's not easy. I just wanted to sew straight, but I forced myself and I've got 2 wonky lines of stitching around there, and then I just splattered them with some ink. So we've got 5, that's the largest. The measurements I've already given you. This one is a little over 3.5 by 6 1/4. This one is 6 3/4 by 2 3/4. I think this one would make a really nice tuck, you know, down the side of a page, but it would equally make a journaling card. This one here is 3 by 5. This one here is 5 1/4 by 3 1/4, just a tad over. So that's them. That's what they are. They are drawn in by my own fair hand. They're all signed and ready to go in your journal. I mean, this is mixed media paper, so it's fairly sturdy. I would put that in my journal without backing it further. But you know, if you want to carry on and put coffee stained paper or anything behind them, or card, or whatever is your preference, of course, carry on and do that. But there we have them. I hope you like them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.